Hey, hi everyone, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a great day. I'm having an awesome day. And we're almost ready to go. Just waiting for a couple of seconds for Discord to spawn up and we should be able to start this. So what do I have in plan for you guys today? So the goal is, I only have 2 boxes in the easy section left for HackTheBox. Which is Tabby and La Casa de Papel. So my goal is gonna be, let's see if we can do Tabby fast enough. Hey, Alex, welcome to the stream, man. Thanks a lot. Hey, Sebushu, welcome to the stream. How have you guys been today? So basically the goal is gonna be doing Tabby. I'm not gonna lie, I already did some of the enumeration and I did a sneak peek of what the next step was because I couldn't find my way in somehow. I was a bit stuck. Hey Anand, welcome to the stream, man. So I was a bit stuck, so I just checked the next step, but I didn't do anything else, so we'll go from there. And then if we're good with that, I might do like a small break in between and we'll do some coding games. So I get you guys into Python as well and having fun with it. And also because we probably need a break for our brains as well from all the hacking we'll do. And finally, after that we'll do, if we still have time and if I still have any energy, we'll do La Casa de Papel. Okay? So guys, get settled in. If you want to join the Discord and be live as we're doing the box and we just bounce ideas off each other, be free. So I'm pawning Tabby today. So Tabby is the box we're going for today. Hey Hawk, welcome to the stream. It's awesome to see you here as well. So yeah, feel free. I'm just gonna see. So that's me. I'm gonna see how I can do it so I don't make too much noise. Yeah, so that should be fine. Cool. So yeah, so like I said, if you guys want to join the Discord and do the box with me, awesome. Otherwise, feel free to just be in the chat. Cool. Okay, let's get started. So what did we find for this box? Let me make sure that I've set up my notes as well. Let's see my enumeration. Okay, so basically, so I scan the machine, so if we check full scan, and it basically comes back with 3 different services that are open: SSH, HTTP, and Apache Tomcat. So we looked at the web servers, and on port 80 it looks like this like a template with just a mega hosting, but I haven't found really anything in there. There's a couple of directories and files that seem to come back, but none of them are really interesting. Like the index is just this page, the news PHP doesn't provide anything directly at least. Assets was the same thing as well, it wouldn't provide anything. I thought we might be able to get some information out of the README, but it just provides some information about the template, so nothing much there. And then back onto the port 88, so for Tomcat. So there's nothing on the index itself, but then we have manager and host manager. But as you'll see here, so if I try to actually go into manager, for example, so I need authentication, right? So what's really cool is there is so I found out today that there is if you go into setlist, so user share setlist, and I think it's in passwords afterwards. Let me make sure. I think there is a Tomcat list of credentials. Is it common credentials? Let me just check. No, I don't think that's it. I know there is here. Let me just grab for it. Let's see. I think it's just a dash. I think it's just dash R. I think that's it, right? No? Ancestral directory? Is it first the I usually use grep in a pipe, so I kind of struggle when it's put this way. Is this just now? Dot, and that's it. There we go. So probable. Okay, so we got a bunch of them. Let me see. Get this a bit lower. Yeah, there we go. I'm trying to find that because I think there should be a specific folder with the Tomcat passwords. Not the 10 million. No. Let's see. MD5 lesson. No. Hey, so Exploit, welcome to the stream, man. How you doing? So anyway, I tried this as well. So I tried logging in with the different default passwords for Tomcat, and that didn't work. So that's when I needed the small sneak peek. Hey, good day, man. How's your day? Good? Awesome. So we're doing Tabby from HackTheBox. So the next step was, okay, so I couldn't get anywhere inside this, right? But we all know that that's the way to go, because as soon as we get access to this, we can just upload like a war file, and we can just start like a reverse shell. So that's the way. Like as soon as you have got access to like, there is like a Tomcat manager, you know that's probably gonna be the way, right? So because I couldn't find anything in here, I went back to this, and basically when I checked the Deerbuster that I did on that specific service, I realized this here. So this here was a bit funny because I didn't see this initially when I was looking at it. Especially if you check my notes, you'll see that I didn't find it. Like I saw the files, but files was empty, basically. So this is definitely something to look at. But I'm gonna add this here as well. There we go. So it's Derb from us. What happened here? Yeah. Okay, there we go. And we can just space this. Yeah, no. So that's what I was saying, like I already tried the default passwords and unfortunately they didn't work. So I was trying to find, because I think there is a list in setlist that has the default credentials for Tomcat, but I couldn't find it now when I was trying to look for it. Okay, let's make this a bit more neat. Let's just highlight what's actually interesting and this as well, and let's look it up. Let's see what we found here. So it looks like it was files, so file statement and then files archive. Okay. So let's look for it. So we got files. So if you just look at files, I think it was empty. Yes, it's forbidden. So that's why I didn't give it more thoughts. But I actually should have probably. I mean, that's what I did afterwards. Right? My next thought was like, hey, I should probably brute force this and see if we find anything else. So files statements. What do we get? Okay, home plan. Wait, but that's just oh, that's interesting. Did you guys see it here on the bottom left? Did you guys notice this? Let me just copy this and check it out a bit more. So, okay. Hey! Holy shit, man! Thanks a lot for the bits. Holy shit! So that's the one from Sector. Yeah. Okay. Tomcat better default passwords. Ah. Okay. But where is it though? Because I thought it was in passwords, but I can't seem to find it. Thanks a lot, man. I think you're first one that actually gave me bits. So thanks a lot for that. Fuck! I missed the animation. I was really excited to see what it looked like. I'll check it later on. Password default credentials, right? Let me see. So let's see, CD, default credentials. Ah, see there, yeah, okay, yeah, I see. The Tomcat. There we go, that's the one. Cheers, mate. Awesome. Yeah, so that's the one I tried initially, and yeah, that didn't work. So, and I was pretty convinced that would work, but so nothing on this side, and we had to focus on this. So now we just found this here. It's interesting. So this. Okay, who's the first one that can tell me what this looks like? I mean, this is super obvious, but like file equal, what is this? Come on, who's gonna be the first one to tell me what this is? Wait, you guys a bit slow? I thought someone would already have the answer. I'll give you five seconds. Still nobody? A file equal? Come on. This is for sure LFI. This is like, this smells and reeks like LFI for sure. I mean, it's weird because like the way I used it before, so using it with file statement, I didn't realize that they also use it as, so was it news? Yeah, so they also show it as news and then they show the actual value. So, but, ooh, but it looks like it needs to be called like this. Let me check if I need to actually call it like this, or I can just use it like this. So how about, so wait, what's the end? It's just news, right? So if I just type news, yeah, news PHP, and then just files equals, and we're just gonna try statements to see if that works. I think it was statement. Let me check again. Yeah. Okay. That doesn't work. Do we get nothing? It's empty. Okay. So do we actually need to have the right domain? So let's just add it to our vhost, our etc host. Sorry. There we go. Boom. Awesome. Okay, so 194. The new is Tabby. I know. It's mega host something, right? Actually, I'm gonna type it here. So okay, I can come back to this later. So mega hosting .htb / news .php. Cool. Perfect. Let's put this in. Oh. That looks good. Let's save this. Let's quit. Awesome. So hopefully this should work now. Oh wait, I need to. Yeah. Forgot to switch this. There we go. Do we get something? Oh, what? What is it getting returned? Oh, I forgot to put HTTP. Actually, let's come back to our previous. Let's just take this, and let's just add HTTP. There we go. It's better. Come on. Oh, still nothing? What? Really? Am I messing it up? Hey, Reese, how you doing, man? Good. I'm doing great, man. How's your day been? So did I mess something up? News. Wait. So let's go back to the main page. So let's go to this. Let's see if this works. So this should work. I'm going to remove this. So this should work here. What? Yeah, okay, so it's working fine. So, and then this is what we saw, right? So mega hosting, news.php, file equals statement. Okay, so what if I click on this? Is it blank? Okay, so, no, so it is, what did I miss in this one? Okay, never mind, let's remove this one then, let's keep working on this one. All customers data breach, we haven't changed the site, remove this tool, and have invested heavily in more secure servers. Okay, so going back to this, still not finished, few things to wrap up, still probably duck out soon. Oh man, that sucks. I mean, I tried to finish my the report I was working on as well, and so I could I could get off ASAP, and I just got it done in time. So yeah, definitely feel you, man. Yes. So okay, so let's just give it a try really quick. So do we have LFI or not? Let's see. Let's just go with an easy one. Possibility. Maybe more. Yeah, maybe I'll need a bit more than this. Let's see. What's weird as well is like I don't see the dots getting converted. Yes. Okay, so this is definitely. So we definitely have LFI here. Hey Hawk, welcome to the Discord.
Hey, what's up, bro?
How are you doing? Are you doing the box as
Great,
well? Or?
great. Actually, I never saw the Hack the Box. I just joined in there, and I just downloaded the VPN file. I mean, I'm in.
Okay,
I'm
cool.
just looking for the which machine you're doing and
It should be in
where we can.
it should be in the retired list, and
Okay.
and then you should be able to find. I mean, I can show it in stream as well if you want.
No, no. What I'm asking is that machine live or what? I mean, do we have to buy some extra pack or what?
I think for the retired boxes you need to actually buy the VIP. Yeah, I think so. Yes.
Oh my God. I thought these machines are free.
Yeah, no, I think there's only a couple of them that are free on the active list, but to get access to all of
Okay.
the retired ones, you need to. I think you have to pay for the VIP. Yeah.
That means I can't solve that machine.
Sorry, mate. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, that's what I thought
It's
as well. So.
okay, it's okay. You continue with your box.
Cool, mate. Thanks for joining, though. That's really cool.
Okay.
Okay, so we have LFI. That's really cool. Let's keep going with this. So let's just save this in our notes. This is definitely what I thought that would be. Okay, so what's our next step? Because our next step is we want to get the credentials for the Tomcat. What other files could we check out that could be interesting? Let's see. So first of all, do we have users? So how can I get the list of? Yeah, I can just. Oh wait, I should be able to see the list of users, right? We have Clive. Is it Clive or is it? No, it's Hash, right? Yeah, it's Hash. Okay, so we got a user that's named Hash. Okay, so actually, let me just highlight this as well in the in our notes. That we got the user here. Perfect. Let's save this. Okay, so now at least we got a user we can look for stuff inside. So let's see. Let's try to get into home. Bash. What can we check? Okay, let's look for Bash. History. That's empty. Let's look for SSH. SSH IDRSA maybe, if we get lucky. So we're looking for the private keys. That's probably gonna be ID. I don't think there is a dot for this ones. No luck for this one. So it's Tabby. I typed it in the chat earlier, but it's this one. Okay, so it doesn't seem like we have any keys here. Do we have an authorized authorized key? What? Do I have authorized keys? I think it's with the Z. Nope. Okay, so next step would be. Oh, what can we find? Okay, Tomcat credentials file. Does anybody know what the credentials file for Tomcat is? Where is it stored? What is the okay? So Tomcat. Oh, so Tomcat home, conf Tomcat users XML. User local Apache Tomcat. What is the default version number? Conf Tomcat users. And I think we saw it here. Let me just check back. I think it was version 9. I think that was the version we were working on. Yeah, we see here. So Tomcat version 9. So actually, let's take a screenshot of this so we can explain what we did. Where's the highlighter? Perfect. Boom. We can see this. Awesome. Let's copy this. Let's continue into the enum. Okay, so we got this. We found this as well. I'm actually gonna go into this article and see if we can find the idea. Romcat.xml. Okay, and what's the path for it? What's the path for this? So I need to install device mention would work. Mines on this Windows. Okay, so this one here looks really nice. Let's try this one, and then I'll try the other one as well. The point is just because I don't know what the Tomcat home value is in this case. Let's make this a bit more neat. Okay, so now we got the path. So it should be. Let's type it out actually. Well, actually, let's copy it out, so we don't have to type it. Going back to the notes, so it should be user local Apache Tomcat, and so in our case would be 9 Tomcat users. Okay, so let's see if this works. Let's see if we're lucky with this one. There we go. Oh, what? What happened there? Man, why? Okay, what is the issue? That should still be fine, and then we still do this HTTP, right? Yeah? Nothing? Oh, it sucks. Okay, let's try something else maybe. What else do we have? I mean, that's for Windows. Tomcat folder, conf, Tomcat user XML. I'm thinking, is this just the etc Tomcat? Could that be it? Now it's Windows again. Yeah, they're all saying this. I'm trying to find someone that actually gives the path of what the default looks like. Okay, let's look how I'm gonna do this because I can't list things out. Okay, let's look at Apache. No, it's. Well, I mean, yeah, I can just put Tomcat 9. How would it be? Default conf path? Maybe that will get us. So at least I know what file I'm looking for now. So Catalina based conf. Wait, what's the Catalina base though? Okay, I think this is probably gonna help me. Anybody else is doing the box at the same time, or you guys are just enjoying the show for now? Okay, Catalina home and Catalina. Okay, it should be here. Home Tomcat. Or C. Okay, representative root of Tomcat. Just hopped on the box running my nmap dearbus and burp. Cool. Awesome, man. Okay, so that sucks because I mean, home Tomcat. I feel like that's very unlikely. I guess I could try a couple of places, right? I could just try etc Tomcat 9 and then see if I find it there. Oh, come on. I'm sure I can find this. Yeah. Let me see if I can... Did I get in my scan what type of version this was running on? Let's see. Do we have the version that because I know it's a Linux machine, but I can't remember if I saw what type of version it is. Okay, no. The service info didn't find much. Just Linux. I don't think I could find anything else. I guess I could try to... Oh, there we go. I was gonna say I could use the Apache version to try to find, like, what most likely Linux version it's related to, but yeah, so we got Ubuntu. So let's see. Can I add Ubuntu here and maybe we get lucky? Let's see. Okay, let's like check that. I'm trying to see. Var lib Tomcat. So we got etc Tomcat. Maybe this one looks like the conf would be interesting. Oh, yes, it looks like it is etc Tomcat the X. I suppose it's the version, and then we can look at the other paths that we saw early on. So let me go back to this and let's give it a try. So instead of use your local. Let's see, so let's change... Hey, Penguin, thanks for the follow, man. So let's remove this part. So let's change all of these and let's change it for etc Tomcat 9. Let's see if that works. Nope. etc Tomcat conf Tomcat user. That feels like that could be it. I feel like we're not too far away. So let's see. So it could be OPT as well. That's just their way to install it. Do we have path somewhere? Yeah, but they've decided to change it to OPT Tomcat. Wait, so we're gonna find... So, oh wait, so I can just check this? Continue series file? Maybe I can just find this in the... but will I have access to this? Because I could check this and try to see if I can find information for Tomcat. Maybe. Let's give it a try. That would be cool. Let's see. Okay, let's just remove this here. Okay. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Okay. Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go, there we're getting somewhere. Fuck yeah. So it looks like it's OPT Tomcat. I think so. I'm gonna actually, you know what? Let me check this, because I know there's a way to get a better view. Yeah, there we go. That's a little bit nicer. So if you check the source as you're doing your LFIs, usually you get a better output. Advice for you guys, if you wanna, because sometimes if you just leave it as like a raw like output, you might miss something, which would suck after you've already found the interesting thing. Okay, so. Let's actually, I'm gonna add the links as well, so I can go back to this later on if I want to. Just checking with you guys, how's the music? If there is any music for you guys. Okay, so let's go back to the file now. That's the one I wanted to check. So what are we getting? So OPG Tomcat latest, OPG latest temp, Tomcat PID. I don't see the conf files. I thought I would find it here. Maybe I can try OPT Tomcat and then the comps? Maybe? Oh my god, I feel like it should not be that hard. Wait, so at least I have the Catalina home, so maybe I can just use this and then the rest? Because we could see, like in a lot of examples, that I just need to use the base and then I have the rest. Trying to see if anybody's left. Yeah, Tomcat home, but that's not exactly the same conf. should be the same as what? You mean, so which one do you think it should be? As this one, you mean? Well, the point is, like, I can't find the path to the user's XML file. And I'm trying to find it how it looks like on Ubuntu. So that's the one we for before. So var lib tomcat conf etc. What? That would be weird. And then I wonder if this is a link or this is just. Otherwise, it would just go down. So it is just etc tomcat, right? So should I just download Tomcat 9 and see? Let's see, Tomcat 9. Where can I find this? I'm just trying to see if I can get files or something like that anywhere. Yeah, but this is just. I mean, I might as well just look at the install, right? Because this is not gonna help. Because this is gonna be based on what I do. Or is it the condition for that? So what did they advise? I mean, just config files should be easier, right? Setup. Yeah, let's try this. I mean, there must be a place where the there's no way I can't find like that. Just it shouldn't be that hard just to like deploy first web application. Just consists of application manager, RAMs and access control. Maybe that's the configuration. Maybe that's going to tell us where it is. Or is it RAM? Configure RAM. Maybe. Let's see. Oh, there we go. But that doesn't help. Okay, let's go back to this. I have to find this. Let's think. How can we look for this easily? So opt tomcat conf. Okay, and then the tomcat user XML. So let's try this. Maybe, but. Okay, this looks promising. Let's see if we can find it. Install Tomcat. Okay, so it is in opt, and then it looks like it would be. Let's see. So it is just opt Tomcat, and then the conf. So it should be opt Tomcat conf and then the users. Let's check if that works. Nope. Okay, I think I'm just gonna grab this with verb just because it's annoying to like copy paste in here. It's gonna be easier for me as well to test out things. Okay, let's open a new verb tab. Tomcat latest maybe? Okay, so this one here. Nice try. That's the one, right? opt tomcat latest conf tomcat users XML. That's the one you suggested, right? There we go. Typing error on latest. Oh, nice spot. Still not. Latest. No, I don't think that would change anything, right? Next, start burp. Let's look again. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Do you have like conf files? Okay, so opt tomcat conf. So apparently it should be opt tomcat conf. So let's remove this and then yeah, but that's what I tried before. So oh come on, I feel like it's dumb. Like we're just looking for a file, but I guess it's always the hardest part, right? Like knowing what the path is when you don't know where the user has installed it. But in this case, it looks like it's just in Tomcat conf, and then it's straight away. So let's see. So if I remove, so let's go back to this one, and they put it straight. Yeah, but that's what I tried, right? Yeah, that's what I tried before. Yeah, that's what I tried before the latest. Oh, sorry, this one. So yeah, this one we're not gonna find it because it's not the same. It's definitely not this one that they've used. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. I think. What else could it be? I mean, every time that I look at the Catalina ones, everybody's like OPT Tomcat. But I'm thinking like the most sensible would be etc Tomcat, and then something like conf Tomcat 9 or something like that, maybe. Okay, so conf files Tomcat 9 maybe. What are we getting back? Maybe. So Catalina base conf engine name host name context host name. That's okay. Engine name I suppose is just Tomcat 9 in this case. Do we have anything else? Yeah, again Tomcat home. I mean, okay, let's give it a try. I'm just gonna go for it with the. So it was. I think it's just here, and they also said like home Tomcat. So very unlikely, but let's not leave anything to chance, right? Tomcat and then see. No, that didn't work either. Okay. Let's look at this one. So we do have calls OPT Tomcat 9. Okay, so that's what we did before. You know what? Let's do what I did. Verb. Let's capture the response as well. Oh my god, that drop is super anticlimactic. Yeah, should be fine. Pull on. Let's send this to repeater. Okay, so this should allow us to play with this a bit more. So we got OPT, Tomcat. Okay, so let's see if this works. Okay, it's empty. What about let's have latest here. Let's see how we're getting with that. Still empty. Come on, let's keep going. We'll find a way. So OPT Tomcat, what else do we do in there? Pure service. Yeah, what are the configs? Okay. OPT Tomcat conf. Is it OPT conf? Yeah, that's what we had before, right? So it's not it. So I guess it's not gonna be this choice either. Fuck. Okay, so we have another option. which is, let's turn burp off for a second. So we're not capturing anything now. We have the docs in here. Maybe we can check this one out. So, but that's just gonna be a copy of what we already saw before. It's not gonna help us out. I remember us seeing these in the scan. Intro. Okay, let's see. Maybe that's what we need. Maybe an introduction, a brief overview. Okay. Yeah, getting it home. And the base. Where's the root of the runtime application specific Tomcat instance? Use the Catalina base property. Hey Jordy, thanks for joining the stream. How you doing? So right now we're doing Tabby from HackTheBox. It looks like it's an interesting one. Right now I found what's called a LFI, so a local file inclusion, and we are trying to find the user credentials, but we are not finding the full path to those credentials. So that's what we're trying to look for right now. I'm doing really good, thanks man. Thanks a lot. Okay, where can we look? It doesn't look like the configs are gonna tell us this. I mean, it should be. We should have found it by now, right? I don't think I've missed anything. The user local we already checked. Okay, let's try again. Let's see if we miss something. No. There must like a lot of people just providing this, right? It's just the conf Tomcat users XML. I'm not finding it anywhere. Yeah, again, Tomcat folder. I mean, that's yeah. Everybody's they're just providing this. Zero exploit? Are you getting there by any chance? You must read sed 2. That's how servers are mainly configured. If you're dealing with server, then you must read sed. Sed? Sed servers? I don't know about that. Yeah, but wait. But sed, you mean? I mean the command send I know about it, but I don't know the. What did you mean by sed exactly then? If you know the servers, then you must read sed. Dude, that's how servers are mainly configured. Sed. Yeah, no, the exploit. I meant if you find out like the. I mean, I'm not gonna spoil anything for you, but I was just wondering if you get to the place that I am right now, or if you're still going through enumeration. By any chance. I'm pretty sure we checked that already. Right? Yeah. So that works. Hey, Sizik, welcome to the stream, by the way. So that definitely works. We checked that out. So we know that the LFI works. So if we checked, so yeah, so that definitely works. So we get that. So that we're sure that it's working. Oh wait, that's interesting as well. So the home is actually OPT Tomcat. That's an interesting one. C security benchmark Apache Tomcat. Ooh, okay. Let me check that. You could also try conf server XML or web XML. True. I could definitely try that as well. Let me just try to see what Hawk has sent me. Accept security Apache Tomcat. Okay. Benchmarks. Fuck, I have to provide my name and everything to actually get it. But I see now what you mean. Okay. what sucks is it is a bit annoying because like I have to register to actually being able to like download the benchmark. But I'm sure we should be able to find this. So now we know that's OPT Tomcat probably the home. But then if we already tried it, then we already followed the other ideas. So I'm a bit confused. So let's go back to what we had. So we tried this one. We tried OPT Tomcat normal. So we tried a couple of them. Let's try what you guys suggest. So let's see if we can just get a... so it's what's web server, I think, like you guys said. Let me just get back to the right tab. Okay, go with bugs, but you can... Ah, CC. Cool. Yeah, I'll definitely give it a try afterwards. Hey, Blackfell, how are you doing, man? So, basically we are doing an LFI right now, and we are just trying to find the path to the Tomcat's credentials, but we are not able to find the path, and so we're trying to find online different configs that are possible. That's a would find... Wait, so it's it? Try it, yes. So, would you find... yeah, but perhaps like in this case, it's not enough. We need more than just etc password, because otherwise we don't have a way in. We already checked the private keys as well. Okay. So wait, because I know that Zerix. So someone mentioned something. I think it's Penguin mentioned something else before. And not yet. Like, yeah. So server XML. Oh, it's just server. My bad. I tried to complete all together. So let's give it this one a try. No, that doesn't come back, and I suppose web wouldn't come back with anything either. Oh. So we definitely have an issue with the path. So let's see with just this. No. What about... What could it be? Yeah, that's what I thought as well. Maybe with latest again? In here? Yeah. Still nothing. Sweet, so I guess it's not on user shared Tomcat. No, I tried as well. What the fuck? The change. How the completely unsmooth change of the end of that song. So it's not, yeah, no, we checked user. I mean, I didn't check user shared Tomcat. No, for the config files it would be weird. Yeah, true as well. But it was like, I think if I do sudo apt install Tomcat, will it just... And then what's the... I mean, yeah, I could try the Docker as well. I'm just... yeah, probably. Okay. Okay, let's see. There we go. It's been super long since I've used Docker, so if anybody wants to share what the actual command is, feel free. I mean, just so Tomcat. Okay. Cheers. Do I not have install? What? Really? What? That's so weird. Why is it not installed? Yes. Cheers, guys. I appreciate it. It's definitely gonna save me some time. Okay. Where X is the IP Docker runs on the installer. Cool. Yeah, that's the syntax is just to get in, right? Yep. But you could run the stuff outside as well. You could just run bash from outside. You don't need to get in necessarily. Okay, so hopefully now we get Docker. Wait, do we still not have what? What did I do? Does that not work? Did I get trolled by? Wait. Ah, I see. It's fine. I was like 58 kb. That looks like. Yep. Let's do that. From just getting the path to actually troubleshooting a Docker install. Hey, welcome to the stream, Miroslav. Okay, so it's huge. Okay, we got it here. Docker compose, Docker clean, Docker. Docker.io, I guess. I guess that's the one. I guess that's the one we're looking for. Yes, that's the one. So docker.io, I guess. There we go. That's what I expect. Like that makes a bit of a bit more time. Yeah. Yeah. I see what you mean. Cheers, guys for this. Okay, let me just go back a bit up in the chat because now we went so deep into like just getting this installed that. So let's see. Yeah. It's fine. Probably maybe I should have just gone with a C6 ID and just do a sudo apt Tomcat 9 and just go with that. That would have been probably easier. Okay, Docker pull Tomcat version, yeah. Let's go with that afterwards. While this is going, I'm still gonna look. I'm sure, like, there should be a way to find this. Like, some kind of, like, default config path Tomcat 9. Come on. I'm sure, like, shouldn't be that complicated. Yeah. So Docker PSA, yep. Okay, come on, it's almost done. Oh, we should be able to find this. Okay, I'm just gonna find. Wait, because this one just looks promising. I'm so like I have a feeling it's gonna be in etc. Let's go for this one. All this install for nothing. So while this is loading, so you said Docker pull Tomcat 9 like this. Nope. I guess I need to sudo. Is it that or it's something else? Yeah, exactly. RWW, just UCD. What do you mean? Oh, I see. Yeah, but the latest isn't, I think it's 10. And we just won 9 though. So, in our case, that would just be this, right? And then I just, this. It's fine, let's try it this way. So what do we get? So there are 3 important directives for Tomcat, etc Tomcat 9, user share, and user share Tomcat roots. Fuck. But he's mentioning 6, 7, and 8, so maybe they changed for 9. Okay, so etc Tomcat 6, and then what would it be? And then straight away would be the Tomcat users? That seems unlikely. Okay, so that's for 6. And it's user share. Shouldn't there be like a conf? Like, I just feel like this is weird. Because it's definitely not anymore like this now. The last times I checked Tomcat. Yeah, that's the one we saw before already. This is almost done. Okay, so now we're in. So to start it up, so now we just spoiled it, right? So basically, I mean, I suppose like if I just do docker ps right now, it's empty, right? Do I need to run sudo for everything in this case? Yes, that's empty, so that makes sense. So let's see. Yeah, so just docker run Tomcat and then go. Cheers. Docker run Tomcat. Nope. Sudo. Still no completion. So Tomcat and then -d and then p. Home, hopefully. That should be it. Okay, let's try 9, I guess. Maybe that works. Nope. Let's try again just with... Is it gonna help, like, provide me? What can I do now? Okay, 9, maybe? What do you guys think this is? Do 8080? But still, like, this is not a... What's the image that we actually pulled? Tomcat 9, right? So shouldn't this just work? What's the D for? Let me just try this. Context cancelled. Let's see the error. Error response from daemon. Create define container Linux. Certain containing process cause. Error. True. Docker tutorial. From Tabby to Docker. Come on. We can do this. D is attached, you don't get a bunch of context in terminal. Okay, I see. So... Docker, Tomcat 9. Let's just run and see we see an example. I mean, I can do the PS, but it's empty. I just did it above. It should still be empty. I mean, let me do it for you guys. But yeah. Cool. Tomcat 9. Come on. I mean, now it's this one. I'm just trying to see if I can find an example of it running. I see Docker run. Okay, let's go with this one. The A? Really? Ah, okay, okay. Ah, I see what you mean. Cool. So we got a bunch of stuff running, and we are not really sure of which one is the right one. So I guess we could try to jump into this one. Cool. So that was... Let's see, to jump into it. We got Blackfell coming up with the idea, so we just gotta take the ID. So we'll take this one, which seems to be the closest one to what we want. Because I also think that's the one we saw before. Wait, before in this one? In this search here, I think that's the one we saw. When we were looking at the different Docker ones. And it's not, so... We'll see how that goes. Sudo docker exec -e, so it's interactive, I guess. Sudo docker system run. Then pull again. Close them all. Or put the ID close to speaker lines. At this point, we've pulled the image, but we haven't started anything right. I think that's what's up. Yeah. So first of all, I think we should need to I think the best thing is probably to clean this one up. Just pick this one, which seems to be the correct one. So let me just check if he has like some information. Docker rn to close. Cheers. Docker rm, and then the docker yes -a -q. Wait, -q. That's it. Remove on permission denied. I wonder if I need a sudo inside of this as well. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Perfect. So now if you run this, there's nothing. Euclid 4, yeah, definitely. I definitely messed stuff up. There should be an explanation on how to get this one right, or to run it. I think I saw it right before. In here. Let's see if we're getting something better here. Can I not just pull this? I remember like there was something where you could just pull this, right? Should be able to, right? I just do copy the Docker file. Yeah, but hey, it's schizogenius. Where you at with Box? So basically, we found an LFI, and we're trying to find the path to the user's credentials for Tomcat, and we are struggling hard. So the goal now is to download the Docker version of Tomcat and find the file inside, so we actually find the path. Don't copy. Okay. So what is it? Who's gonna win the battle? Miroslav or Ben DevOps? Yeah, right? That works, right? Oh, just run? Okay, let's try run. Sorry guys, I think Blackfell won this one. Unable to find... It's not on the machine. I'm wondering why it's pulling so much stuff. I guess I can check the repo and understand what's pulling it. Well done with time path is user shared Tomcat 9 etc. Oh my god, really? Wait, seriously? Didn't we try that early on? Oh my god, I'm so sure we tried that early on. Oh my god. Okay. Sisik, let's give us... Okay, so it's 11 in... so it's 11. Let's give us 4 minutes. And let's go through the Docker. So we end the knowledge that we just got, right? So, because that way we, you know what, like, it's still a learning experience and it doesn't feel like we lost our time. Okay, come on. Is it just running now? That's what's going on? Is it what I'm thinking? And I have to, like, just open a new one. What? Why am I getting... Yeah. I think what's going on is it's already running. There we go. Wait, but should I not... Is this already like a shell? Let me just check. Am I in? No, right, no. Open local, yeah. But that's just gonna be the... If I just do this... I mean... That's just gonna be the actual application itself. What? Ah, wait, I have it. Yes. That sucks. We should have probably put another one. You didn't use detach. That's why. Okay. So I should still be able to. No, that's fine. I don't need to, because the idea is like I don't need to go into the application because I know what it looks like. What I want to go is into the files. So probably what I can do is just sudo docker and then exec and then just do what Blackfell suggested. Time for docker ps and then docker exec. Yeah, there we go. So let me just check your command again for docker exec because I think this is an interactive. Come on, I can find it. There we go. Exec, yeah, -i bash, and then the container ID. Let's see if we are in. What? I wonder if it's this. I wonder if it's this, no? Docker exec, did I do it? -e bash, yeah, and then container ID. I don't know, did I mess it up? That looks like what you sent me before. Docker exec, IT, I see. Container and then bin bash. Okay, cool. Bin bash. Hey, there we go. So let's go into so let's go to user share Tomcat. So it doesn't look like it doesn't look like it's in here. So let's go into opt. In this case, it's Apache Tomcat. Oh, it's just Tomcat. Let's see. Tomcat, and then we got the conf. So, and then we got the Tomcat users. Oh wait, not cd that. But no, what? Oh, there's two files. Okay. And I guess that's where we get the. There we go. Yeah. So that's the default thing. So that would work in this one. Do you even need to full path for the file in the LFI? I did not go so many directories back. Really? Wait, but you definitely need the full path because you're doing it from the Apache application, and you're not inside the Tomcat application, so you would not know like where you have to go unless you know the full path. So yeah. Hey Orangs, how you doing, man? Hey, by the way, I didn't realize that you were the one that gave me the right way to do it. Cheers, mate. Okay, so now that we've gone through this, we'll know for the next time how to do this. Unfortunately, it's not the right way. Apparently, the right way, or the right place, is, and we get the small spoiler from Sizik, which you might get granted next time, but I guess in this time we're losing a lot of time, so I'll let it slide. But it is user share Tomcat. Okay, so user share Tomcat 9. etc, and then Tomcat users. .xml. Cool. Okay, before we do this, I wanna I just wanna see, can we find this online? Like, why are people not, like, why can I not find this easily? Come on. There should be a way, like, we find this easily in the future. Oh wait, not this one, we're already in the docs, so let's look for this. Yes, fine, I'm just gonna put in quotes. So it doesn't try to go through the right path. It might be useful in the future. Ah, fuck. Let me just scroll back to the bed. Wait, I was reading it would be useful in the future. Oh, fuck, I was way too high. Cool. So we're there. Even. Yeah, so there you go, Schizo. Awesome. Okay, so I guess that was the way. So Ubuntu packages. Let's remember that for the future, I guess. I'll just or I should have gone into just hack tricks. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna send. I'm just making you guys wait. I just wanna make sure I get this in the future, because this is super. Like, we lost like 45 minutes just trying to find a path, and I need to be able to, like, in the future, if I need a path, to have the right mentality on how to find it. So that's why we went through all of this BS. Cool. Okay, let's exit this. Let me just change 2 seconds the view. I just want to check my history, but I don't know what's in there, so I'm gonna just hide it from you guys just really quick. Let me just make sure that we are good. Awesome. Okay. Basically, I just wanted to get the Docker stuff, but I guess it's in different places. It's fine. I'll come back later and get it. Cool. We're back into Cali. Okay, so I'm gonna stop making you guys linger on this. Let's send this. Okay, you're doing great on prepping for the CP2. Yeah, definitely for sure, man. And there we go. This one finally worked. Cool. So let's get this big one, and let's highlight this. Perfect. Okay, so we should be getting in, and then it's gonna be easy peasy to get just a reverse shell going. Okay, let's save the actual output of this. Okay, let's put it here. Awesome. Okay, so let's just make sure that this actually works. Let's go into yeah, it should be fine. So 10 194. I guess my dots were a bit shitty there. That looks better. 8080 and just manager. I use a software that's called Flameshot. This is the best stuff you'll ever find on the market. It's free and it's the best. So we saw it's just Tomcat. Oh, Tomcat. And by the way, cheers to Davey if he's watching, because he's the one that suggested it, and since then I've just been using it all the time. Let's just copy it from here. That's been a game changer in my note taking for sure. Are we in? What? Access denied. What? What's the roles that we have? Admin GUI? Completely mindfucked, guys. I'm trying to see if there's like something that it should be changed. What did we mess up? What did we mess up? Okay, so there was another one as well. Let me just remember. There was like a manager or something. So if we go back to the end. So what did we have? We had host manager. Maybe that's the one we'll have access to. Did you guys have any idea why this would be? Okay, let's try that again. So Tomcat. And let's make sure that we have the right password. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. That's the one. Perfect. We're in, bitches. Let's go. Yeah. So this one now it should be easy peasy. Oh wait. Oh fuck no, that's not the one I want. I want the deployer. Hopefully we have access to it. There's probably other users. Maybe. We only found one though. And I don't think those, and those ones are empty, so... I don't think so. I don't think there's other users, you know? Yeah, so let's just add the nodes. Let's go back to here. Boom. Okay, so... I mean, that would mean that some reason, like, there's like 2 files that save the user credentials in different places. I don't think that would be it. There's maybe like maybe there is like some restrictions on the user. Let me try to remember. Okay, let's go for search exploits, and I'm just gonna, because I know there's like 3. There's 3 exploits that I love to use for Tomcat usually, which are these ones here with Metasploit. I mean, I don't use the Metasploit ones, I use like other ones, but I know those ones are really good. I'm just trying to find some GitHub exploit that does the same. I'm just going to use the deployer, I think it's the one that I like the most. I think it's the role concept. But admin GUI though, and manager script. And I think it mentioned here that I just needed the admin GUI. So that's why I don't get it. So if you check this, it says, for example, to add the manager GUI. Never mind. It's because it needs to be only accessible from the browser running on the same machine. Never mind. Okay, see. So when you usually have access to this, it's because it's been poorly configured. Cool. Other shouldn't be granted. Okay, so I think that's probably what we're going to be able to exploit. Because I see manager GUI should not be granted these, and we definitely have it here. But let's look up for some of the exploits and see how we can exploit this. That's not what I had copied. Let's go back to this. The deployer. Let's grab this. And let's look for exploit GitHub. Okay, that looks like something I'd definitely like to use. WWAR, it's what I live for. Okay, so what is it? Okay, usage. I'm just trying to see if I need to provide it the WFR. So it does generate it for us. So do we have to provide the local host as well? So it's Tomcat. Okay, so that's port, and then it is. So I guess like that's external, and that's us. And then VX, unload existing JSON with the same name. And then V, I suppose, is just gonna be verbose. Yeah, cool. That looks pretty straightforward. Let's check if there's a lot of people. Okay, I usually like to check if there's like a couple of stars, and sometimes look at the code as well real quick. Let's make sure that we're not getting butt fucked by using someone that's abusing us instead of actually exploiting the machine. Okay, so this is just logging, creating the SSL context, just creating the socket for the receiving end. Webpath join, directory and file. This is just cleaning up. This executes a command. On what are you doing it? That's fine. Anyway, it's just looking at tree. That's fine. Okay. Socks and CMD. Okay, it doesn't look like it's running anything on our machine directly, so that's good. That's fine. Wait, this is super long or what? Holy fuck. Okay. I guess we'll have to trust it. I mean, it doesn't look like it's doing anything. I mean, imagine the times. I mean, someone could have copied someone else's code and then added something. I'm gonna go with I don't think so, but still, it would be good. I mean, like we did spend some time looking at stuff, but it's super long, so not gonna be able to go for all of it. So it's going to exploit. Let's get this. Boom. Make sure it has the right permit. What? Oh fuck. We need to give it. Yes, that's the one. Hey, good night. I need to leave. Thanks again for the interaction. Hey, thanks so for tuning in today. Have a good one. Fins bene via, Jordi. Testing all. Ciao, ciao. Take care, man. Okay, so perfect. So the reason why we did this is you can see here. Unfortunately, the current directory is owned by root because when we're running autorecon, we need to run it with sudo. And now that we've just changed the ownership, we should be able to see that this is owned by Kali now. So if I just run the wget command again, we are good and we should be able to see it here now. Perfect. I don't think for Python scripts we would get into trouble if I don't give it the shmod, but to be safe, so let's give it the execution permissions and let's go. Let's just run this. I mean, do we have the version that this was running? Just Python? Fuck, it doesn't tell me if it's Python 3 or not. I guess it will just error out if it's Python 2 or 3. Do you guys see if it's Python 2 or 3? That's fine, let's just give it a try and we'll see. So Tomcat deployer, and then let's just follow the example. Looks like 2. Yeah, it looks like 2 as well. We'll see. There we go. That's the one. So VX P, so it would be, let's put it on 444. Wait, did it say it starts the listener as well for us? I think it does. Yeah, so I think it does start. I think it did say it starts the shell for us, right? And provides a nice shell. Okay. Cool. We'll see. Otherwise, we'll just set it up ourselves. That's fine. That's cool. So I keep scrolling up and because I keep missing this one. The music. Come on, YouTube. Don't do me like this. So let's go to -H. That's gonna be RIP. We continue with just their IP and the port we're attacking, so 8080. That looks fine. We don't have to provide the credentials? That looks weird. I probably have to provide them in the code. There we go. Should be at the beginning, no? URL, just an ID. Password. I think I did a typo. Oh. I remember seeing Tomcat somewhere. Let me just look for Tomcat then. Yeah, but that might be a bit everywhere. Yeah, it sucks. Okay, let me just check in here really quick if I can find the place. Because I didn't see any passwords early on, at least. But there should be a place that I can provide this. Oh wait, that should be here, right? There's an -U and then oh, cool. I missed it. Well played. Let's quit this. Oh. Cool. Let's go. Oh. Let's just copy this and add the arguments. So I guess I can just add them probably here. So -U, Tomcat, -P. Let's copy. And there we go. Thanks for that. That's a good spot. Okay, let's see if that works. Probably need a space here. Trying error. Service not found or could not authenticate to 8. Fuck. Did we mess it up? Wait, we need to change it so it doesn't try manager, but the other one maybe? Hey, LGLTM. How you doing, man? Yeah, it's definitely growing, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, man. Like, and I can see you're a subscriber as well. Awesome, man. Awesome. Well, I think it's because Nahamsek and Zero Exploit gifted it to you guys. Okay. Ooh, wait. That's probably what's going on. The credential is not good. Yeah, the raid was super cool. So I think there's an issue with the credentials. Let's see if we can just quote this, and if that helps. What? Oh, let me try a single quote. I think there's an issue with yeah. I'm wondering what's escaping stuff here. Hopefully this works. No. You put cure. Yeah, that's what. So it's not that I put cure. It's just like it was getting escaped. Yeah, exactly. So definitely privileged. So wait. So that sucks. The problem is like it's trying to do it on manager, and that's what we saw as well, right? We got like the forbidden. So maybe we have to force it to do it on. In this case, maybe we try to give it the host manager and see if that works. So that was it, right? Or what was it exactly? So host manager, yeah. Maybe this works. Because I think it's using the deployer anyway, right? I think it should be using the deployer. Maybe it's not using... Wait, CC. So Tomcat War deployer? Let me check. So escape this. Is it using... I'm trying... maybe it's not using it. I don't see it. I don't see it at all. Where is it? Where is it? I think it's actually not going to the right place. I think it's not going to the right place. I doubt this is going to work. Let me try, but I feel like this is not going to work because we don't have access to the... Oh, maybe? Specify URL. So it passed. Probably found something on Apache. Yeah, trying to fetch. Yeah, there's no point to an Apache Tomcat application. Service not found. Could not authenticate to it. Fuck. So I guess this one just doesn't work because it's looking for the manager, and unfortunately, we don't have access to it. So let's look for another one. That's fine. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna look for the Metasploit deploy. Maybe this one. So Metasploit framework Tomcat manager deploy. Let's see. Oh, I can use it with curl. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Did you guys see this? Even you OMP with MSM Venom. And then no, but more like no, because what happens is you can do that if you have access to the manager, but I think if you, let me just check. So I think it's a manager deploy. I think that's the one you want to have access to, but you only have access to this one. Yeah, I know how to create the thanks for the MS Venom, but you need to be able to actually get access to the UI where you can drop the WR. But because we don't have access to the manager, where you can actually do this, that doesn't work. So I don't think the issue here is the payload itself. The issue is that we don't have access to the manager. So we have to find other ways. And I remember from other attempts that I've done that there's the deploy here. That's really cool. So let's see. How can you do this? So curl upload file application. So that's the one, that's our file, and then just the credentials at local or the IP 8080 manager deploy, and then path that's going to be saved. Okay, and then we can just go. And how do I go to the app afterwards? I guess it's just going to be like manager app or something like that. Let's give it a try. This will work, and then get a shell back with it. Girl, you don't get secure password shell war. Yeah, obviously, yeah. This definitely seems like that definitely feels like it's the same idea as this thing here. For sure, that's the idea. Yeah. Cool. Let's save this. Yeah, and let's create the war file. But that's the idea. Yeah, I thought you meant trying it differently. Go manager fuzz. Yeah, but in this case, it's not that I don't think like. I mean, I'm not gonna find anything else. I just don't have access to a part where in the UI I can interact with the application. So I think that's just it. It's not that they have hidden like anywhere the place that I actually want to go to. Let me just copy actually this as well, so I can reuse it in my future if I'm doing a search in my notes. Perfect. So now we're here. So indeed, we need to create this, and then we can deploy it, and then we can just access it. Cool. So MSF console, because we first need to start the service. Cool. Cool. Okay, yes. I feel like I have to fix my Metasploit config files because it keeps prompting me for this every time. What do you think, genius? What do you mean check documentation? No, I mean like he's definitely right. I mean the curl just feels like that's gonna be it. That definitely feels like something I've done in the past, so that's definitely gonna be that. The only thing that I'm not sure yet is you can see the end the path equals reverse shell. I wonder what the actual path is. So let's exit this, and now we just want to run MSF Venom. So not this one actually. Actually, I can't show this. So Let's go to MSF Venom, and then just let's go for. I mean, it's gonna be Linux. Yeah, I could copy and paste yours. Good idea. I mean, yeah, true. It's so it's Java. Just be shell. Shell reverse. TCP. So lhost. Yeah, put 0. And that's just awkward. So localhost, that's gonna be us. All port. Let's put it on 5555. That's fine. No, lhost is your IP. I mean, I guess yeah, that's what you meant. Yeah, that's what you meant. You meant raw? Oh, okay. Oh, war. Sorry, I read it incorrectly. Cool. Basically, by the way, war is only a zipped GSP file. So you could also do it in GSP and then just zip the war file. That would be the same. That would be the same. Shielded war. That looks good. Yes. Let's see if that works. And then we can grab the curl and use it to upload the file. Okay. Okay, that's just warnings. That should be fine. Cool. Let's make sure it's there. Awesome. So let's add this curl, shell, and then we can add all of this. So in our case, yeah, I'll have to change a bit of things. But we're close. So, not this. We just gotta change the password. Let's go back and sit. Let's go. So, there we go. That's the password we're gonna provide. Okay, Tomcat's fine, HTTP, yeah. Now we gotta change the IP as well. Perfect. Cool, and now the path, let's give it just shell. I don't know if you need just. I think it's just the. Is it path or is it app? Let me go back. So deploy under path. So path application. So does this mean that if I. Is it just this then? And if I just go to shell, I'll be able to run it, I guess. Okay, let's try this one and see how that goes. So you suggested using deploy and path equals shell reverse shell. Hey, thanks for the follow, Areas. Hey, thanks for thanks for that, man. How you doing? Really cool to see you here. Okay, so let's see the yeah, that should be fine, right? We can just put this one. Should we event not found? What is the issue here? Curl upload. Hey, thanks. I'll come back. Cool. No worries. That's really cool, man, to see here. So let's see HTTP. Oh wait, that's fine. Tomcat. What? Why is this? Is it me or it's getting again issues with the way the password is provided? I feel like that exclamation point is really messing up, because you can see the IP it's just not there. It's just weird. Yeah, but yeah. Oh wait, did I not actually put the quotes at the end? Probably that's. I wonder if that's what happened. I wonder if I just needed to put this. Oh wait, but now I just need to change the IP as well. So what was it? Exclamation point, and then we are good, right? The rest looks fine. Yeah, at 94 and report. That's good. 4 or 5 method not allowed. Okay. Fuck. What's the issue here? The IP is fine. The port is fine. Manager deployed path. That looks fine. Tomcat, yeah. What's... I mean... That's a bit weird, right? What's the difference? Did it not... sorry. Was it not the same? What did you do? So you didn't upload the file. The curl U, Tomcat, T... Okay. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. So what is T for? That's what I want to know. So let's copy this. Let's remove all of this. And then just HTTP that, and that should be fine. Cool, and then we just add the users at the beginning. So dash U. Okay, this is looking good. Wait, space. Cool, yeah. So let's do this. Okay, still 4 5. I think. Wait, let's check. Did we mess up the? Did I mess up the password again? So we. Secure password 1 2 3 exclamation mark. No, looks fine. Oh, okay. Wait. I see. You did it slightly different. You did it differently here, where you provided in 2 sections. Still failed. You missed word text. Oh, I see. Oh, wait, that's what they mentioned in the, I see, yeah. That's what we could read. Ah, that's it. Text deploying. Ah, that's it. And I guess like Tomcat 7 started using this and then all next versions. Yeah. Nice spot, nice spot. Hopefully this works. Hey, there we go. Okay, so now. Did I put a big D for deploy? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So now, should we have this in here? So wait. So did it mention how we can access this afterwards or not? Should just be path equals. And then you guys think it's gonna be manager text deploy path equals shell? And I should probably set up a netcat listener. Wait. Perfect. Did we put 555? I think we did, right? Let me just make sure. How do we set it up? 555, yeah. So let's get the right. Yeah, nice spot. That's where I figure as well. Cool. So it's listening. Okay. Fail. Unknown command. Okay. Maybe we just have to go to shell. Unknown command deploy shell. It's okay. Where are saved? Wait, did we not have it in context path shell? Do you think so? Let's see. Hey, you guys see this here? The underscore? That's what we want to see. Cool. Cheers, man. We're definitely getting this. Okay, let's speed up a bit. Cool. And we should have a shell. Damn. Wait, what is that? Is it bits? Oh yeah, it's bits. Hey, thanks a lot, man. By the way, I mean, I set up the bits to like a minimum of 75, just because I was scared of like people spamming me. But do you guys think I should lower it? Because I don't mind putting it like to 10 or whatever. It's just like, I was a bit scared that if I put it like to 1 as the default value, I would just like people just spamming it like crazy. Is it though? Is it? Yes, there we go. That's a shell. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's spam shell in the chat. Okay, there we go. So let's make this a bit better. Python in the chat. Actually, I'm actually working on some ideas for the emotes. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna change this already to blue because we got kind of user, and now I wanna go into my Windows commands. Oh no, not my Windows commands. I'm in the post exploitation section. Yeah, there we go. Hey, Xalx. There we go. Pizza. That's fine. No judgment on the image used. There we go. Let's get this improved. Oh, did he not like it? He didn't like it. Let's try it with Python 3. Sometimes you get a bit more lucky. I thought I might have an error or anything. Oh. But nothing. So let's see. Yes, that works. Cool. Let's take a screenshot of this. Let's go back. Let's add in our notes as well. No Python unbox. Yeah, maybe not. Wait, no, there is oh, Python there is. You said Python, I was like, what is he talking about? And then I just realized, yeah, of course. So there we go. Okay, so now it's time to do some primary checks. We can run this. Let's check OBT. Oh, wait, we don't have... we have a password. I don't know if it's going to be the same that's going to be used for the user or not. Let's see. What? The password? Oh, yeah, because I don't have a TTY shell. Okay. I wonder if even this works as an input. Oh, yeah. Good idea. You know what? I actually saw yesterday a video of like IPsec, and the first thing he did like on a machine was like which when he had like a web shell, and the first thing he did was like which NCAT, and I was like, oh man, that's so smart. I keep doing like spawning up like a listener and running the command and seeing if it's there. And I guess you're right. Probably Python. I can check it as well. And then which Python 3, I guess. Yeah, that makes sense. Cool, man. Cool for the reminder. That's very good. But yeah, that's definitely a good technique to use. Okay, so it looks like we don't have a password directly. Let me just upgrade this. So we get something a bit. Oh. So we get something a bit better. Oh yeah, we have the nice. We get. I don't remember who gave me that last time. Someone suggested me that I needed to do the foreground in one single line, and that definitely helped me out. Okay, cool. Enter, and we're back, baby. And now we just need to add some variables to make it a bit more stable, and then we're good to go. The Tomcat web root, yeah, for sure, that's the one. Wait, no, that's just the one I want. Cool. Okay, so where are we first? So we are in varlib Tomcat, and that's where we had all of the... Is it? Wait, what do we have in conf? Oh, but that's just a... It's just a link. That's the same link to etc Tomcat though. And then we did have the stuff in varlib Tomcat or etc Tomcat. Wait. Now so etc Tomcat, and then what, conf? Did we not try this one? Did we not? Oh wait, the conf it's directly the ping, so it's just this. It was just this. Oh my god, it was just this, and then we could read the Tomcat. Oh, it would have been so easy. It was just like etc. Oh my god, the pain. etc Tomcat 9, and then the. Oh my god, guys. It's painful to see this now. Okay. So let's check. Let's check for the easy findings and then see if we find anything. So is there anything in here other than Tomcat? No, that's the only thing. But what do you think? I mean, like in this case, usually if it's connected to like a DB or something, that would be interesting, but it's not the case now. So I don't think that this is where we're gonna find any value. let's check hashes directory. Oh, so wait, first of all, let me sure. Do we have other users? No, we only have a hash and we don't have access to that. So yeah, we can try varww. I mean, we'll only find the other one, right? I suppose. We should only find the HTML one, yeah. I mean, we did find all of this already, so nothing new. Always Leon first for me. I always do. So basically, what I do is like I do quick wins. So stuff like if I find it, I save myself like 10 minutes of work, and after I've spent like this, I just boom, I just go into it. Yeah, but files. Maybe files is interesting, actually. What? What? Backup size. Okay. Archive. Let me just check if I'm gonna get the backup for sure, but what's do LSR? Yeah, yeah, that's a good idea actually. Okay, so there's nothing on those directories. So the only thing we have is the backup. But the first, like, if the backup was like somewhere else, it would make sense. I mean, let me just let me unzip this. Do we have unzip on the machine? Cannot create var read only. Okay. Fine. Wait, can we see it here? No, right? So let me just copy it into TMP. And then zip it. You can also try the tree command. Yeah, same. True. But the tree, I mean, I guess you'll get. The only thing is, if you use tree, I'm not sure you will see dot files. That's the only thing I'm not sure, unless you provide like some specific argument. I don't think you see the dot files. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm not sure. So let's go back to TMP. SPF data. What is this? Is it just performance data? Can we clear this? Hopefully, yes. Okay. Wait, let's go back. Let's unzip the file we got here. Creating cool. So let's look at this. And for the icon, we don't care. That's fine. It looks like it's just the same. I don't see anything that's gonna be interesting in here. Let's look at this. So var ww is it HTML? Okay, and then let's go with tree. So you have your chance. Oh, we didn't find this one. Too bad. So there's nothing. Okay. For me, I think this is just a backup of the site. I don't think there's much there. Let me just check. Is the user running anything specific? So I'm using OXW so I can actually see the full thing. Let's make this big. Let's run again. So the user is not running anything. Have fun, folks. I've got to run. Yeah, thanks a lot, man, for tuning in. Really cool for you to be here. Definitely hit you up for Docker advice for sure. I know where to find you, man. Okay, so yeah, I don't think that's the place. In this, for some reason, let me just in this place. I mean, we could just run. Let's go into TMP again. Are we already? No, let's go into TMP again. Let's wget. Let's just get in peace. Perfect. Let's go into OPT Linux. That's where I have all of my files that I want to upload on the machines. I just here's them, and then I just simple. Perfect. Boom. Did I mess it up? Oh, cheers. Cool, cool, cool. So let's get this. Perfect. Chmod plus x lean piece. Let's execute it and get the output into t lean piece .txt. Cool. Let's go. For some reason, I have a feeling that... What could this be? Let's think about this. Fuck, I know what it is. I know what it is. I mean, I have a strong feeling of what it is. I think it's just the password reuse. Because it's, in these cases, it's really weird. The user's not running anything, so it's going to be really hard to get him. So the only way we could run into him is like, did he leave like any passwords anywhere? And we do have a password. So I'm thinking that. Well, what else could we have? We could have a backup maybe somewhere of his password. Maybe I should... Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm just gonna leave this run. I'm just gonna try sudo ash. Let's get the password. It's just like... It's a thing I have with these types of boxes. I meant enumeration. There is no password. I mean, there's one password, it's the favicon. It's just a backup of the site. I mean, the point is like it's just a backup of the template. I don't think there's anything in there. Like, why would a user? Do you think the user would have left the credential? Keep it cool on the hints. Yeah. No, don't give up too much. But we did check the backup though, and I don't think we saw that much. So let's go into web. So, or is there a way in Twitch to have like a hidden text? So like where you actually don't show unless you click on it. That would be cool. That way you can like you can share stuff, but only and leave the change to the other ones. Oh, there we go. Fuck, we hide it here actually. We didn't even need to get ready in front of our eyes all this time. Let's go. Does this work? Okay, that didn't work. Okay, that's fine. Did I mess it up? No, right? Yeah, but it's... But in this case, we checked it out. Like, the only thing that was password reader was the favicon. Everything else we had access to. So... Ah, no, we only get access to the folders. I see what you mean. So yeah. The history was empty though. I think we already tried checking it. So yeah, the history was empty. It's just us. And I mean, let's give it a go with a link piece. Let's see if we find something. So we have this password. Let's see if we find anything else quickly. Just going through this. I mean, I guess we could go and check a bit more the config files for Tomcat. I'm gonna see if I can find anything from the user instead. Yeah, but that will refund. So it could be the backup indeed. Let's see if there's other backups. There's this one. Yeah, the one we just copied as well. Okay, I guess there's some logs we can check as well. Let's see. Group ID. Nothing weird. We don't have the actual password of the user, so I'm not gonna be able to actually use any of the SUIDs anyway. What? That's super interesting. That's annoying when that happens. Wait, what? I'm just checking the groups. Because we get ADM for the log serum, but then we get LXD. Isn't LXD like a known path of escalation? Like I feel like that's the win. Any other services? I mean, there's just a DNS running. Nothing else. The problem is like because the user. The only way we can really get the user. Oh, what? Oh no, it's just the config file. That's whatever. Ah, that's because the user's name Ash. Yeah, not much we can go on because I mean, like, we're not gonna be able to get roots straight away. I don't think that's the way, at least it's intended. Definitely showing us the LXC again. Come on, YouTube. Don't leave me hanging. I'm wondering if I messed it up before. For some reason I'm confused. It must be this. So let's see. Shouldn't that just be it? And then I'm wondering if I messed up the password or not. So it is not that. That's super curious. It's just a website that didn't have other use. Yeah, maybe you're right. Okay. Let's get the let's go into TMP. And I mean we could try to crack it, I guess. Okay, so yeah, just set up a Python listener. I'm just gonna do it following this. I'm actually gonna just follow this. And I'm actually gonna just find it. I'm really going the easy way here. So Python 3. And then this. Normal domain, really? Fuck. Let's see, how could we transfer this easily? I mean, I guess I could set up a SMB server on my machine. Actually, someone actually shared on the Discord a really nice way to actually do this. But still, it should. I mean, I guess I could just also just put it in the. I should actually just be able to grab it from wherever it was, right? Like we found it in. So what was it, like var? HTML, and then where did we find it? In files? Yeah. So yeah, I could use netcat as well, but in this case, I mean, I can just grab it. It's easy as well. Okay, hopefully maybe this works. Nope. Let's try to get this, to make this work again. Oh, it's actually gonna get the file instead of what if I just... Ah, it's not gonna work this way. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's use netcat. That's fine. on our side. Let's stop this. Actually, let's open a new one. So we're directly into loot. Ah, that meant loot. So we'll set up the listener. Cool. C66. Then we can put it to yeah, just file.zip, whatever. That looks fine, right? Cool. And then oh, not the right one. We can just is it just this? Is it just scat the file into netcat? I'm trying to remember if that's the correct way. Is that it? I think that's it, but I'm not sure. Let's give it a try. Read-only file system. Oh yeah, I have to go back to TMP. Let's try that again. Okay, that didn't work. I feel like it might be a pipe. I feel like it might be a pipe in the sense that I need to like netcat. Yeah, it's the other way around. Okay, that's fine. Oh wait, just the file? I don't need to cat it or anything? Cool. Cool. And it was something like you had to wait until it's done, right? But I think it's a short one. It's not like a huge file, so... Because this is not gonna end. So I think you have to stop it, right? Let's stop this. Let's check the size of this. So this is 8716. 8716. Awesome. Let's see. We have a couple of ways, so we could just use fcrack. I don't have it here. Okay. Let's just check it out really quick. Fcrack zip. Yeah, true. But in this case, I mean, size was quite well as well. So you didn't have other use storage blank HTTP server with Python reads. Ah, thanks, man. I'll definitely. Actually, I'm gonna take notes of that. In the challenges, like for Python 3. 3 it is http.server. And so what, you just run like Python dash m and then I mean let's give it a try, right? Let's learn from this. So it's Python 3 dash m and then you would have just http.server. That's it. Ah, nice. Cool. I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this as well, just so I can use it as an example. Boom. Hopefully that works. Yes. Cool. Cheers, man. We can stop this. I should be able to. There we go. So let's find. Oh no, that's the full thing. There was a place where there's usually a really. It's just an example. Should be the way. I know there's a way with a Johnny as well, right? Where you extract the zip, like the hash. That should be. No, because I want to do with dictionaries. Oh, come on. I guess this one maybe, because I have already clicked in the past. Jip to John usually. So what is it? Just Jip to John and then the file, and that's it. Let's see. Okay. I wonder if that's just normal output. Can I just do this into hash zip? Yes, that works. The end stuff, I wonder if that... I don't think that's an issue. I just know this because it's kind of similar when you're using SSH to John and stuff like that. So you sometimes have like some output like this, but it's actually not. It's just part of the error output or the warning output, not the actual execution output. So yeah, so we can just run Johnny on this. I think I have to sudo Johnny, and then word list, user share word lists rockq, come on, and then just the hash. Hopefully that works. I'm gonna mute myself because cool. Never mind. I don't need to mute myself because usually when I try to crack something on my machine as I'm doing a stream, it's very messy. It's very messy because I mean, obviously this is a VM, and doing any type of like cracking on a VM as you're streaming is not a great idea, because I'm recording and streaming and doing cracking at the same time. It's just like not a good idea. Okay, so wait, actually didn't take a lot of notes. Let me just add a couple of screenshots. Yeah, because we actually didn't show. I mean, I could just do this, I guess, but it's. I mean, let's see if I can. I'll have to go too high. Let's see if I can just show it. That sucks. I need to show that we found it. Okay, let's show var www html, and then add the R as well. Obviously, that's. Oh, never mind. That's perfect. I should have added files, but never mind. It works. Boom. So I'm just gonna. So we are in as the Tomcat user. We can't run sudo, and we don't have access to Ash's home. Come on, home. Cool. That would make it. I'll understand what I've done here. That's fine. I'm gonna save some of the ideas. I'm gonna save some of the stuff that you guys showed me, so I can reuse it in the future. So let's put it this way: netcat transfer. I mean, I've done it in the past. It's just like it's been a while since I've needed to use it. Okay, so it would be just an LVP 5555, and then the file, and then just netcat IP, the port, and just file. Cool. What else did we set? Yeah, there was the Python one as well. That was cool. Let's save this one. Copy the screenshot, and then another one. Okay, we're getting there. So I mean, let's see what we found though. Perfect. So now I know I can run this as well. Okay, so we got a password. So cred, which is admin at IT. Cool. Let's get this. Let's unzip the backup. Let's go. There we go. Cool. So unzip file. Perfect. Provided. Getting everything. cd var www html. So what do we have now? Okay. So wait. So I don't think there's anything. So let's do the R like you mentioned before. Wait, assets and files is empty? Okay. Let's look at the index, I guess, and the PHP. Let's go for a password or something. I mean, what? What is it? Okay, let's look at the other one. News, maybe? No. There's nothing here. That just shows how it works. I mean, let's go through this file. Let's see if we can find anything like obvious. Email. Yeah, but that's another. Wait. For some reason I feel like that was not the same value. I feel like that's just the default. I think that's just gonna be the default. Which is what I thought originally. So what did we get from this? What did we get from doing this? What did we get from this? Oh my god, we got the password. That's the one. Fuck. Wait. If that's it... Did I copy something else in between? I was typing admin at IT. Oh, that's it. Fuck it. That was it. Oh, there was nothing in the backups, just the password that we got. Okay. Cool. So we're good. So the backup was empty, but the user reused the zip password as his creds. Let's show this. We're in. Let's try to SSH so we get an actual nice. Let's see if this works on this one. Oh, not exactly what I was looking for, but fuck, I wanted. Yeah, SSH was one. There was like 3 services: SSH, HTTP, and the proxy. The Tomcat. So in this case, just SSH hash. This should work. Oh, it's public key only? Really? Okay. Let's go into the home directory. Let's go into hash. So what do we have? So what? So it's public key, but we don't have a .sh. That's a bit weird. Okay. What is it? Keygen. Is it just SSH keygen or something like that? SSH. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. Let's get IDRSA and save it to our clip. Oh wait, no, we first wanna we wanna copy. Yeah, we first wanna copy the IDRSA.pub into authorized keys. I think that's the right one. And then we should just Let me just, I mean, I guess I can just get IDRSA, that's fine. Oh, fuck, this output is disgusting. I wonder if I can, oh my god, it does across both? This is, why? Oh my god, I didn't know that was the case. I'm a bit annoyed that the splitting is done vertically, not... I'll have to find how that's done. Is it just... I think it's a simple one. Okay, I'm just gonna exit this one. Let me try to exit this and create the... oh wait, now I can just... I guess that's fine. I'll just grab this one. Go into... yeah. Oh, actually, go into the directory, that's easier. Actually, no, let's exit this. Let's just open new one so we're in the right one directly. We can just go into exploit. That's fine with me. VI, IDRSA. Cool. Let's paste the key. Is it encrypted? Oh no, we just created, so it's not gonna be. Cool. I can just SSH. Oh wait, I need to shmod it. 600 IDRSA. Splitting is done with for what? Splitting is done with. Oh yeah. I think in my case should be. Yeah, there you go. So basically, it's either this for or the one we have now, or this for me. So yeah. It's custom ones. I just wasn't sure which one it was. So let's SSH in with the public key then. IDRSA at. Hopefully that works. Did I mess it up? So I copied the public keys. I have the key. That looks good, right? Okay, invalid format. Private key. Invalid format. Okay. Any idea, guys? Why this is happening? I'm always perplexed if it's authorized keys with an S. Trading new lines sometimes messes up the key. Ah, good point. Let me just check if I have Xclip. Because I don't think I have it. So if I do IDRSA and then just Xclip. No, and clipboard. I don't have it either. I don't have any. Fuck. I guess I can. I guess I can just do it base 64 and then try to undo the other side. Yes. But that's gonna be the same, right? So if I mess this one up, but I think base 64 has less issues with that, hopefully. So just VI. I'm just gonna put B64, whatever. Cool. Let's put it in. Okay, and now we can just. So it would be just GAD base64. We pipe it into base64 decode, and then we feed it into. We just feed into the IDRSA. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. There we go. Hey, my man, Schizogenius. Good idea, good idea. I'm just gonna save this here, just to show an idea of how to transfer the key. Let's get a proper SSH CLI. I mean, just a proper SSH, that's fine. So we got this, but that's more at the end. And then on the other side, we got the 7th, I think. There we go. I guess I can just show this. Probably I'll just take a picture of this one. Boom. Yeah, I'm just gonna put on the right side. Victim. Cali. Cool. So we're good with this one. So we get an SSH. I'm just gonna exit this. I'm just gonna give myself a bit more space. Let's clear this up. Okay, so let's go into temp. Let's reuse. Can we use little piece in this case? Okay, I guess I have to Tabby get it again. Before I do this, I'm just gonna first check if we have any permissions with sudo. Okay, that's fine. There's Sage. Let's run this again. Okay, boom, let's grab link piece. I think I guess we're getting there, Ah, 2 hours and a half, man, this one has been longer than I thought it would be. Okay, shmod plus X, we just give it execution privileges. And then we can just run it as we did before. We pipe it into T so we can get the output and save it into a file, .txt. Yeah, see? That's what I was thinking as well. Instant. Oh, I'm getting spammed. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, I mean, okay, let's keep going, let's check this. I mean, it's... Okay, that's fine just because the name is that. So this one seems to be a big one. Is there other stuff? Oh, I do remember it's a long one, I think. I mean, the fact that it's 95 for PE vector, it's usually the way to go. Especially because when it's not like a clear false positive. Let me just check if there's other stuff. No, right? Let me check if there's anything else. Otherwise, we'll try that. Okay, it ended up. I guess some logs we could check. Well, we can't use SYD because we don't have any. We don't have. Oh wait, no. I wonder. No, that is still something we could check. Let me see. It's two different things. No, there's none of them look like they are. Let me see again if there's anyone that I recognize that could be interesting. Nope. No, all of them look really standard. Cool. Okay. Let's try the LXD. Let's try the LSD part, and let's see how that goes. Okay, now it's time. I mean, I should have jumped into exploitation early on, but let's go into privesc escalation now. I'll move it later on. I was just too excited to find the user. So let's see. Maybe hack tricks. Okay, let's just look for LXD privilege escalation. How are you guys feeling? Did I kill you all? Are you guys super tired already? Are you guys keeping up with me? How is it going? I see that Schizo Genius is the only one still typing up. Okay, we got hack tricks that I usually like. We got the articles as well. Let's go with hack tricks. I think that's usually a good option. Okay, they have a GitHub as well. Let's check both. So this one just ends. So you can start your machine this distro builder, follow the instructions on GitHub. then upload the vulnerable server files, and then root fsquash. Oh, wait, what? Wait, that's on my machine? So you build it? Then upload the one. Oh no, so then you upload it. So add the image. Okay. Very interesting, keep going. Cool. Cool. Okay. So I guess we just gotta install it. Okay, so this was still running, looking for passwords. That's fine. So I guess it's gonna be on our machine. Yeah, on our machine. So let's do this. Actually, let's do it on one of the, yeah. This looks fine. Okay. Install your machine, the distro builder, then upload the vulnerable server files and roots squash. I don't see. Oh wait, I just import and then it just imports it. Oh, okay, I see then. Cool. Okay, so let's just. I'm just gonna follow this line by line. You used the distro builder the other day that made you very angry? Okay. Why? Did you have to like troubleshoot a lot of errors or what was it? Wait, I just realized egg sucks. Do you have a oh I didn't even know there's like an icon for like the beats leader as well. Damn. I was like, that's a weird one that I haven't seen before. Check for images on the target box. Good point. Oh, actually, I'm actually gonna quit this one. So we have SSH now. And exit this fully. And kill. I'm just gonna clean up a bit what we have so it's a bit more clear. And let's kill this. Awesome. This one. Yeah, we'll probably need to upload some stuff later on. What was this? Ah, yeah, that was just the Docker. You can CC this. We can kill this as well. That's fine. That's burp. Now we can kill it as well. We're not gonna need it. Exit this as well. That's fine. Okay. Let's yeah, so many errors. Okay, so how do you check that? Is it just this? Right? And that's mine. That's not what I meant. I meant this one. Nope. Doesn't look like there's any. Okay, so that finished. Let's install all the dependencies, all the requirements. Okay, we had it all. Let's get this. Isn't that like package no go files in? Yeah. Which means there's no go file. There's definitely some go files in here, right? Did I mess up something before? No, right? Is it just starting? I mean, I'm just gonna continue to see if that's the issue or not, but So it says to like cd into this. So let's actually change this into cd. That's the one, right? Yeah. So now just make. Okay. I'm just wondering what the no-go files in was all about, but because I was just downloading it, so it's like it's a bit weird, but that's what I would say. Man, the problem is like I'm not familiar with Go. I really should learn Go, so I'm a bit more familiar on how it works and this type of like, because like download, like understand how it works when you want to download like other people's software as well. Okay, this is fine. This is looking okay. Make deer. Continue image alpine. It's fine. Boarding. Fuck. Fuck, what's the issue? Git for only. Your local change to the following files will be written by merge. Okay, maybe I just have it already. Fuck, it failed. That sucks. Oh my god. And what's the other? That's just the. It's running this. Yeah, it's the same thing, right? Does he run anything differently? I don't think so. I mean, the problem is like if you keep going, I think it's just not gonna work, right? Fuck. Is it like I'm wondering if it's a permission issue or not, but I don't think so because it's just in Kali. I mean, just sudo make feels wrong for some reason. I wonder if maybe just I try the sudo get. So what about this? But then it's gonna go in the wrong one. Because I'm thinking this is gonna be saved in roots Go folder. Let's try it out, but wait till I did. Okay, I'm gonna just build it as sudo whatever. That's fine. Not the greatest, but oh fuck. Okay. But will it let me go into root though? Yeah, okay, let me just root. Let's get the food for a second. Let's see if we can fix this. Wait, where are we? Okay, that's fine. Let's see if that works. Let's see if it's just a permission error or not. Okay, let's look at the method 2 if that fails. Build an app image and start using the flag so the previously goes true. First thing continue to interact as root with the host file system. Okay. Let's see. Okay, git clone, build this, yes. Okay, so this is and then import the image. Okay. That doesn't look that bad. What's the... Why bother with this one if this one is super simple as well? I mean, I guess this one is quite simple as well, so... Yeah. Yeah, I'm complaining, but should be fine. Hacking articles. I used this one after I gave up on the Go stuff. Okay. If this one fails, I'll definitely give this one, yours a try. Because I saw it as well, right? It was this one. Was the first... Yeah. It's the first one that we saw. Oh. I'm out of water, guys. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get some water, okay?
Hello? Are you there? Knock, knock.
Hey guys, I'm back. Okay. So,
Hi, hi.
wait, why am I... Oh, can you just
Oh, sorry.
cut the stream for myself? Wait, let's put it like this. Cool. How you doing, man? How you doing? Welcome back to the stream, man. Welcome to the Discord. Wait, I can still hear myself.
Are you serious? Wait, one sec.
Just mute the stream, maybe, because you'll hear me on Discord anyway.
Test.
Yeah, that's better. Test?
Okay, great.
Cool, awesome, yeah. Let me just bump up the volume a bit. Awesome, yeah, so I don't know if have you checked the stream or you're working on your machines?
I'm working on machines. I just came to join.
Awesome, man. So right now, basically, we are at the last pass of the bot machine. We basically got the user and we found the way to get privesc escalation, which is through exploiting the Linux containers, basically. And I'm just following a. Let me just get the music down a bit, so I can hear you. Hear you.
Okay.
Let me just push your volume as well. There you go.
Oh, you finally have 1080p source. That's great.
So, okay, let's see if I can build this. Let's see if it works for. So wait, what did we just run? So the make worked. Okay, let's just CD again. Let's continue with this. It looks like it's working. Schizogenius.
Which box is this again?
It's Tabby. Tabby. It's
okay.
it's one that like I was gonna at the beginning not do it, but then one of the guys that I checked on YouTube that did the OCP a couple of months ago suggested it as a really nice one, and I have to agree, it was quite a good one. So I missed the path originally, like I couldn't find the way to get in, but then after deer busting a bit more, I got in.
That's nice.
Let me get you one up because I can't hear. So
Did you work
on any
yeah.
boxes yet, or you've just done theory today?
I just got into one of the boxes as anti-authority, but I have no idea how to do shit in the box. So now I'm actually experimenting with the SMB method. So I read
Okay.
online there's this SMB method to run files on Windows from your Kali share.
Yes.
Is
Wait.
is that a thing? Yes.
Yeah. I mean, like, check the
Yeah.
Discord. I think Red Panda shared a way to do it.
Let me check.
Check the resources. I think it's in
Okay.
resources. He shared the way to do it.
Let me see. Oh
Uh,
yeah. I see it. I see it. I see it.
so
I see it.
try that out and see if that works for you.
Yeah, sure. I'm working on that right now. Nah, thanks.
Awesome. Perfect. I'll keep going on this one, right? Because we're almost at the end.
Sure.
Sounds good?
Go ahead. Let's go.
Okay, so
I'll
why
watch
did
you.
that fail? So we get the admin email. What failed? Distro builder. Let's go. Angry print. Hey, welcome back to the stream, man. Okay, so wait, that's you, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I was like, I didn't recognize the username at the beginning. Okay.
Yeah.
So wait, what's the issue here? The go build. Why isn't it working? Did I give it another path? Oh, come on, don't tell me, like, why is it not working? Did you miss something? The make dear path, that's fine. So let's see, what are the last steps that we did? Okay, so cd, we created a directory, yes, then we went into the directory, check the last line on hack tricks. Last line. Oh, if that fails, run it adding, oh, I see. So what, the wget? I guess that must be the wget, right? What? There we go. It feels like, did that work? I don't feel like that worked. Okay, let me just remove everything from here and let me check if that. The dash. Oh. If that first one adding it at the end. Okay. And I'm super curious why we don't see any output. Okay, it still gets it though. That's fine. And let's continue then, I guess. Let's run this. Bad Alpine release. Should I put like latest maybe? No. Check the last thing, the other command. Which one? This one? The distro builder, you mean? No, because it's definitely like the which one, Schizo? Is it not the wget? Just now I'm just curious of the we get that age. What is it? The last pseudo command above the comments. Wait, okay, I see what you mean. Okay, so let's remove what's useless in here then. Yeah, let's remove. What else do we need to remove? Okay, let me just make sure I'm not. Okay, so this one should be fine. And then we can just, okay, I see what you mean. That should have been more obvious, to be fair. Yeah. Okay. I wonder why this lag. Okay, this works. My man. Thank you, Schizo. Okay, so if I get it now, we should have yes, and the yeah, perfect. So let's just I'm gonna exit this. I'm gonna just give the permissions again. It's fine, and I'm just gonna send them. So I guess the whole thing was just permissions, and the released at the end. Cool. So now we can just.
Oh, nice. I see you have changed your prompt.
Yeah, man. I started using yours.
That's nice.
I really enjoy
Nice,
it.
nice.
I mean, it's a combination
Great,
of two different ones, but I definitely like that part of yours, so I kept this.
Nice, nice. That's nice, that's nice.
Cool. So it's listening in. Let's go back to wait. That's what we want. So where we want? Do we want to print it? Then upload the server. Add the image. Yeah, sure. I guess I could get it in anywhere. Do we have wget? There we go. Awesome. So what is this called? Perfect. Ooh, what? Did I mess it up? Oh, when I exited, I'm in the wrong directory. That's fine. Oh, it's... I'm dumb. It's not gonna let me. I'm dumb. I'm just not gonna let me do it. It's fine. Cool. I'm just gonna run this from this place. I just don't need to run it with sudo.
Is there any reason why you're not using the Python 3 version of that?
No, we need the Python 3 on the server because we didn't have Python 2. That's why I pasted that command.
Okay.
But it's just because this one is the one I'm used to running. But you're right, I could just use the other one as well. So that should work now. Still not? What did I mess up? Is it not in the right folder? It's in Alpine. I keep messing it up. So it's... Let me just check the actual folder. It should just be this. There we go. Now I can see them. Yes. Hopefully that works now. Cool. And the other one is just the rootf squash. We're getting there, boys. We're getting there. Cool, cool, cool. So the image is imported. Let's list it. So LXS image list. Yeah, it's there. So I guess now we create a container and add a root path. So basically, what is this? So this is a container, and then what is the other thing that we're doing now? We're just creating another container?
I think you are importing a container, then launching a container now.
So yeah, so basically we've imported a container now, and then we're starting.
Now you launch. Yeah, you're starting container.
I see. Yeah, and then it just lists the container. So it's gonna be, and then I device add privesc. Okay, and then I think I add the not non-secured. It looks like I just mount the
Mount root.
yeah
Mount
from
root,
the other
yeah.
one, which is vulnerable. So I think that's it. I'll have to read more about this because it would be interesting to learn about a bit more of like how this works. But for now let's just get it, I would say. So we haven't run this, so let's go. No storage pool found. Please create a new storage pool. You can create a container. So should I? creating privesc, no storage pool found. Please create a new storage pool. Okay, let's just check that error. Let's check if it's anywhere here. Nope. Let's look it up. Same like in Dark kinda LXC init. No, that's not one. Fuck. Go to the other webpage, it's better? You need to initialize the XZ before. Ah, okay. Fuck. Cool. Where is XZ clustering? Yes, no. Default, no. Do you want to compute a new storage pool? I guess yes. Name of the new storage pool. New pool. Storage backend to use. Defaults. I'm just gonna leave default for all of this. Using existing block device. No. Sizing gigs default. What? 1 gig? I don't know if they have that much space. Do I actually have to run this? Let's just try 1. Okay, I'm just gonna go through all of this. Because I suppose that if there was any value that needed to be specifically used, would have been mentioned. And it wasn't, so I suppose this should be fine. Perfect. And now this should work fine. So basically we've added this to this. So wait, so if I just do LXC image list. So we still only have 1 image. And then we've created something from this one. Ah, see, we've just created one from this with the Alpine that we've named privesc, and then we've set with this command. Okay, okay, it makes sense. Cool. And then we've just configured the device privesc by just providing the disk. Okay, okay. You mean this one has just better explanation? Oh, you mean this one has a better explanation? Ah, I see. This one goes into more depth. Oh fuck, I'm too tired to read it now. Thanks a lot, Schizo. I'll definitely read it. I am a bit tired now. I think I just want to get the box done because it's been already a long one. But I'll definitely check this one out for sure. And anyone that's interested, I think you should definitely do it too. Okay, so let's just finish this one. Boom, boom, that's done. So now we can just start privesc, which is the container we've created. And hopefully we can get in the container, which should have its file system as the OS file system. So we're root, but do we have access to the actual file system? So let's see if we can see, for example, like the var. Oh wait, var w. Can we see this? No. Wait, so what do we have access to?
You can just just cd / then ls.
Okay, so well, let's see.
Yeah,
wait, did it not work?
Yeah. You can go into root and then ls, not cat it, but you can ls, I guess.
Okay, maybe it's not full. If it's is it only a part of it? It only mounted root. Okay, I just realized now.
Yeah.
I guess
you can go into root and then ls, I guess.
Yeah, but that's it. Yeah, for sure. And then I guess you just root.
You don't have to show the flag, but yeah.
Oh wait, well, we don't have the flag though.
Oh, we don't have what? That's weird.
Okay.
Wait.
Ah, no,
No, no,
no.
no.
Fuck.
Where do you mount it? You
Yeah,
mounted it on slash. I just realized that it's
there we
mnt
go.
slash root.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep.
It's
Yeah.
not, it's the same. I was like,
I
same thing.
was
It's
like,
like we said it before, and I was like, where did we? Because basically we
yeah.
did like we mounted the source on that path.
Right.
That's what we did. Okay, that makes more
Correct.
sense.
So you have to access slash
Exactly. And I was like,
mnt
I
slash.
thought it was the
Yeah.
other way around. I thought like we just.
No,
Oh
no,
man, that makes
just
more sense.
PNT.
Yeah, cool. I'm just gonna.
That's great. Damn, good job.
And we're good with this one.
Nice.
I mean, I'm just gonna. Okay, let's do it a bit more neat. So let's show ID. Let's go. I wonder if IP is gonna show the container. Yeah, that's gonna show the container IP. But that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. No worries. And then we can just SLA root.txt. Really? Not? Oh wait. No. It's gonna be
Just
mount
no slash. Yep. Correct.
root and root.txt then I guess. Yes, there we go. Really cool. Damn, that was a special one. Okay. Exactly 3
Nice.
hours to get the box. I mean, I feel like we were a bit slow with where did we struggle? Oh yeah, the path. We lost like 50 minutes on the path. So that was slow. The rest was okay. Wasn't too slow the rest I would say. I still feel like I'm a bit too slow on these boxes. I feel like it's maybe because I'm tired from work and maybe I'm thinking too slow, but I still feel like I should be faster. Okay. At least it's one done. I mean, I'm just gonna show this. I mean, should I copy everything? I don't know if it makes sense to copy everything.
I guess.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll just keep it so if I ever search for Alex, I'll find this.
You can embed the link because
yeah, for sure.
Notion. Yeah. I do that. I just embed the link.
Boom. Like this, you mean, or?
No, you paste it in and then embed. Create embed. Hover over it. Then there's an option to create embed.
Like.
Okay, delete it and then paste it again.
Yes.
Then you will see the pop up.
Oh, this is this? Is it this?
Let me see. Just delete it and then paste it again.
Okay, let's try you.
Delete the link. Yeah.
Okay, let's delete this.
You'll see a pop up.
So.
Then when you paste it, click on embed link.
This one? Create embed?
Yeah. Create embed. Yeah, correct. Then you'll see the whole web page there. It's pretty
nice.
Cool.
That's
Yeah,
super cool.
So you can even expand the sides and make it like a full page. So during the exam you can just refer back, and that's what I do for my notes.
That's super cool. Oh, wait, but
Yeah.
let's see. Let's just
you can expand the sides.
Let's see how it looks.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's really cool.
Yeah. Yep.
Nice. That's a new trick I didn't know. And you can just.
I just recently learned this. You can just embed any page and scroll through on here. You don't have to go waste time moving around.
Oh, that's super cool. It just looks a bit.
Yep.
A bit annoying when you wanna an original just runs you back to the. That's pretty cool. Okay, guys, I think we just got the box. It's already been 3 hours, so I have two options. Either we stop the stream now. It depends on you guys. If you feel like it's been enough, we could do a small game to end the night. If you guys want, we can go into coding games.
Oh no, I remember this.
And let's see if you guys are up for a couple of rounds of Python challenges. But basically it's really small challenges that are the idea is how to solve one of the small problems that they present us with the least amount of Python code, and you will see. It looks really weird. So just I can show you some of the. I'm not gonna show you. You know what? I'm not gonna show you so you guys are all on the same level, and you'll. I mean, that way I can beat you first and then show you. But it's fine. Let me just create one real quick. Is it compete and then create one? So if you guys are up for it, can I send it to you and you share it? Just because I don't have the chat directly.
Sure.
How was it? Is it just contest and then create? I know there's think there's like a personal one. Do you remember like how do you create your own? It's just games.
I think you just click one and.
Yeah, private clash. There we go. So so we're gonna do not the fastest, because then let's give us some time. Let's do this. I'm gonna leave all languages so you guys can do whatever you want, and I'm gonna head out. Hey, cool, Skizo. Thanks a lot for coming in. By the way, if you guys have any suggestions, I mean, I think there's a suggestion box. If there's like boxes, challenges, topics that you like for me to go through, man, I'd love for you guys to just leave me like a suggestion of what you'd like to see. Where's the code? Is it just they just share this one? That's it. I think that's it, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna share it in the general. Hopefully that one works.
Let me paste it in chat.
Cool. Cool. Feel free to join as well, Nee, if you feel like it.
Yeah, I'm joining to get wrecked.
By the way, guys, this is super. Like, really don't feel like any pressure or anything like that. The goal is really like you will like I can almost guarantee that you will learn something like just playing, and we don't like, and it's a bit funky, so it is quite fun. I'm gonna make this a bit bigger.
So now on my status on the box, right? I'm in a Windows box.
Yeah.
And I don't know how to do anything. but I'm inside as anti-authority. I exploited the SMB vulnerability, but I just don't know what to do after that. So I'm just trying to figure out what I can do.
I mean, there's a couple of things you could try. You could try to use Sherlock and see what you get from there. You could try to use WinPeace.
Oh.
I don't know if you know about it.
I tried WinPeace, but it failed.
Failed?
Pretty weird. Yeah, I did. Super weird.
Whoa. Oh, why would it fail? What, did you get any errors output from it?
No, it's just the first HTML tag appeared, and then it just stopped.
Are you sure you did you check an MD5 sum of did you check the sizes just to see if you like got the WinPeace correctly onto the machine?
Oh yeah. Sure. I'll check that out after this.
Because it could be the issue as well. Let's see. I mean, there's a lot of stuff you can do. I mean, like there's you could also try to just get a meter preacher shell and see and play with that as well. Even if it's not allowed in the exam, it's still worth it to learn how to use it.
Oh yeah.
True. The other thing you can check as well is when you try some basic commands. I don't know. Did you check already some privilege courses, or you're still going through the?
For now, I'm stabbing in the dark. So okay. My goal now is to.
Some stuff you can do is just check.
Check net user, things like that.
Yeah. Did you check your permissions? So who am I / all?
Really. Oh, let me check that real quick.
Because it could be that you have some kind of like a potato I mean, it's not vulnerability, it's just basically the tokens basically that you have access to that would allow you to privesc. But you said you're already anti-system, right?
Let me show you what I am.
Okay.
So if you look at Discord in general, that's what I am. So does that mean I'm admin? Anti-authority / system? I'm root, right?
Wait, I'm trying to see your user. Where is it? Oh yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're root.
Okay, so I have to find. Okay, there's a file called bank account. It's a zip file, so I need to find out how to transfer files and then crack it.
Yes.
So I'm wondering how I can copy files to my SMB share, because I know how to run files, but I'm not sure how to copy files onto my share. I'm trying to figure out.
Okay. I think there's one of the examples in the chat. The other thing you could do as well is you could add yourself, or even if you're not, you could add yourself to the remote desktop users and just go into the machine.
Oh, okay, that's cool. But I'm not sure if they have RDP. Okay, I'll try that.
Yeah, and if they don't have it, then you just enable it because you're admin, so you can do whatever you want.
Oh, true. Okay. Sure, I'll check it out soon. After this, I guess.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, we got 25 seconds. I think nobody. You guys are chickens. Come on. I thought you guys would be up for a challenge. Plenty of hackers in the chat, and nobody's is up for a small coding chat. I mean, it's not really a coding. It's just like more like a script brain thought experiment challenge. But let's go.
Oh, someone joined.
Oh,
Someone
let's
joined.
go.
Oxford.
Let's go, Orson. Oh yeah, he joined last time as well. Let's go.
Nice.
I was able to put some pressure on you guys. I don't want to blame myself. Okay, so let's see. What do we have to do? Sorry for the guys listening. I mean, I'm gonna give out probably some answers and stuff like that, but it's fine. So integer char count for the number of integers to convert. Char count integers char code separated by spaces. So what is it? Input gives us 11 and this, and the output is hello world. Oh, and this is the char. Oh, okay, I see. And I have to remember how this works. I think it's like O something, Python char codes. How do you output the actual character related to the code? Oh wait, do we have it maybe in the code? Maybe you have it here. Let's see. Do we have it here? It's just int. We just cast it. That's it. That's a bit weird. I don't think that would work. No, it would just be the number. That would not work.
Yeah.
I could take the ASCII value of a character. I guess I want the other way around. Oh, I think I saw it. Is it just ORD? And then CRH. Okay. So that's the trick. CHR, and then that converts it back to like the character. Cool. Let's remove all of this. So basically the goal is to have the least amount of code size. So if you check the bottom right, you can see... where do you have this? There we go. You can see the size of your code. So the goal initially is to just get the actual answer. So for example, like I could just do something like this, for example. So you just do proof of concept. So so you'll start realizing what I'm doing.
I'm getting somewhere, but I'm still... Ah, shit. Okay.
So yeah, that's fine.
Oh, he's using Java. Damn.
Okay, so basically now this should already be... Let's see, can I remove all of this? I can remove the quotes as well, I think. So let's just output this. Hey, it's a shortest. Yeah, it's the shortest one. So probably we actually tested out. I think JavaScript is the one that's mastering for this. So no, I'm just gonna play the test case and see if that works or not. Okay. Wait, all test cases? Cool. So this seems like it's working. So basically, after you're done with your test, so now I have like 11 minutes left to go down as much as I can and get the least characters, right? So first of all, we'll get rid of everything that's not related to the actual problem. We'll only keep what's really needed. So there's a couple of things I can do here to help myself out. First of all, we're using int multiple times. So I'm gonna already create a variable that will be that. So I'm just gonna be creating, let's say I'm gonna call it x equals int. I'm gonna create a variable z equals input. And now I'm gonna replace all of this with the variables that I've created. So this should shorten already a lot my code. And that's only worth it if you use it at least twice. So that's the thing you have to remind yourself. So the input is z, and the int is x. Okay, so we already. I was wondering why was the task so simple. Yeah. So So now we're down to how low are you guys? I'm at 89 right now. Oh, what the fuck? You're at, oh my god, you you went or I
636.
just realized you already went for like went for it. Fuck. 600. Holy shit. Wait, let me think. Damn, you definitely took the long road. But it does go really fast. Okay, so can we make wait, where's definitely don't need this. Okay, so let's run this and make sure that all of this is still working fine. Perfect. So this is still working fine. So our POC is still working okay. What can we improve now? The loop here could maybe be improved. Because I can add this already straight away. Because this here I actually don't like. Because this is just... Yeah. I'm wondering if I even need to do this. So let's see. Can I remove this completely and just use E in here? Because this is going to split this value here. And this takes a string anyway. Oh, that doesn't work? What if I... Oh no, it takes an int, so I do need to cast it. So, but I already have the variables, it's just gonna be x. Okay. 9 minutes left. How low are you, Ni?
How do I check that?
On the bottom
I'm
of
139.
139, okay.
I'm 139.
I'm at
Not yet.
77.
So, oh wow.
Okay, let's see. Can we make this a bit lower? Do I need to create the S here? Can I just print it somehow? Oh, wait. I can take the full thing. There must be a way where I can do... Sum? Oh no, sum is not gonna work. Yeah, it works if I transform it first. So if I do sum of filter, and then I do CHR on the list. So on just Z, I guess. I'll just do it this way. So I'm just gonna just comment this out for now. Okay, so this would sum everything, and let's just print this. So basically, I'm trying to sum like the strings. But that's not gonna work. And I'll need to map it first. No, that's not gonna work. I just need to find a way to maybe do this loop a bit nicer. I don't think I can go down with this specifically. Yeah, I've left all the boilerplate and comments in. Yeah, that's a rookie mistake. We all do this. I think I can do, so what was it? I think it's this. I want the output, so I want this. But I don't know how much am I gonna... am I gonna save the spaces doing this? And then this? I think this is how it works. Let me just comment this. I don't know if I save a lot doing this. Let's see if this works or not. It failed? It gets nothing. Ah, fuck. 6 minutes left. What's the issue here? I mean, that's what's computing. S plus the character X, Y. Wait, no, that's fine. And the Z, that's fine as well. For E in... Isn't it that way? I thought that was the way. Oh, but do I have to give it... Should I just... Wait, it's because I didn't print it. Fuck, I don't remember how this works, because it's just gonna... I thought this would work and run, but then, no, because then it's not gonna print. No, that's not gonna work either. Okay, that's fine. I'll go with 77. I think I'll... I don't know, how low are you, Ni?
I'm only 96. I'm too bad at this.
96. I wonder if this should be... I feel like there's a way I can make this Because it's basically
Wait, how many are you?
77.
I'm at 73 now.
73?
Yeah,
Fuck.
yeah,
Wait, so there's definitely a way.
yeah.
Nice. So let's see. I'm going
Let's
through this.
see. How can I shorten this?
Instead of going through each one of them, how could I do this? Let's think. Because I don't care if it's efficient or not, I just want it to be short. What could we do to make this better? Anybody in chat has an idea on how could we make this better? Help me out, boys. Don't let him win. And do you actually run all the cases as well?
Yeah, I did.
Nice.
I just tried it.
Oh, come on. Let's see. I'm trying to find a way. I think I have to run this. Yes. And I need to do this as well for the output. And I don't see a way to do it in one motion. Can I maybe avoid doing this? Is there a way I don't need to do this? Can I remove those characters somehow? I guess I could just print out. Can I do this? Anyway, I'll go for it. I'll submit it. That's fine. Let me just make sure that this one works. I just want to check your code.
How many minutes is there left?
There's
3
3
minutes.
minutes,
Okay.
but I'm just gonna go for it. Because I can't remember like a nice way to do this.
Okay, I'm gonna submit. Is he done too?
Yeah. Oh, Oxen, by the way, you can share your code if you want.
Yeah, let me share it. Yeah, I will. I think you will scratch your head if I share. Let's see, share my code.
But let's see what you do. Let's see what
Okay,
you
nice.
do.
It's stupid.
What? Let's see. Wait, how is it different from mine? What? I did the same.
Exactly. No, I don't know why, but mine is. Wait, share yours. Let me check. Okay, you shared it. Let me check. How is it different?
Wait, we're doing the same. What? Wait. Isn't it the same mine? So I've done just the thing at the beginning, but this should say...
Oh, I don't have T. I don't need T.
Oh my god, I left spaces. Oh my god, I left spaces there. Oh my god, I'm dumb.
Oh yes.
Oh my god.
Yes.
How did I not realize this?
But even if we...
Oh my god.
But even if we had...
Oh my
no,
god.
No, but
Hey.
even if we had spaces, the spaces will make up for how many? You
2.
had
So I had 2
70,
spaces.
how much?
But then I don't need the T, right? Because
Yeah, you don't need T.
oh my god, it's all of... Wait, I could have beaten you? No, wait, because I could remove all of this, right? Then...
Yeah, you could.
Because then
That's what I did.
Oh my god. Because I don't care about the first one. Oh,
Yeah.
wait, so... oh wait, no, I can't remove it fully because I still need to output the... Yeah, so I see.
But I didn't
so,
have
no, I
that.
see. So you can just remove this. You still need to output the number because you need the second output.
Correct.
Yeah. So
That's
you
right,
just
that's
so you could only go. I'm sure there's a way where you can do this a bit faster. I'm not just sure.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But
Yeah. It's a pretty fun game. I feel like it's a super fun game to like learn about like tricks in programming and just like it's a fun one.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm thinking.
That was
I'm just
fun.
looking at the hour. Yeah, I think I need to eat. So I'm gonna take a break. I don't think I'm gonna stream later, but I'm probably gonna be working on the exam later. I'll see if I feel like streaming. Guys, if you're still here, if you're still following, if you stay until the end, thanks a lot for coming. That was really cool. Hey, super! Thanks a lot for the follow, man. Yeah, by the way, so if you're here and you haven't followed yet, and you like the content, I mean that helps a lot. If you want to check what I do, I think there's a YouTube channel that you can check. I put the replays of the streams there, so make sure that you check that out if there's stuff that you want to check. I have some blogs that are coming out as well on Medium that you can, if you want to just see a bit more detail on how I work through things, I mean, not in more detail. I mean, more like a summarized way of everything. That's the way to go. And otherwise, you can find me here every Wednesday and Sunday. I don't know. I just realized maybe that's the case. I just realized that's probably the case. Oh no! I read the name completely wrong all the time. Oh my god, it is the great Alex. Oh my god. I read it wrong all the time. I was reading Alex all the time instead of Alex. I was actually wondering. Oh my god, I was actually wondering because it's one of my mates. He said he would probably like come to the stream, and I was like, I wonder where he is. Oh, the vibe giver. Oh my god, yeah. Thanks a lot for the love, man. I really appreciate it. It's super cool. I'm sorry I didn't recognize you early on. I was probably too focused on the actual box. But yeah, guys. Damn, he keeps giving. Damn, thanks a lot. Thanks so much, man, for the beats. Oh man, I just realized the actual the cheering is actually hidden by the let me just fix that real quick. So this, I'll probably move it here so it doesn't block any of the cheering that you guys put out. Nobody let me know. I didn't realize that everything was getting blocked. Yes, the heart on the end, of course, man, of course. Anyway, guys, I mean, I can see a bit more. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to know anything about me, if you have any questions about hacking or about the OSCP exam or anything in general, let me know. And if nobody has any questions for now, then that's fine. I'll just I'll slowly tune out. A pleasure, man. Thanks for coming in. It's really cool to see you in the chat. Hopefully, maybe I inspired you to actually get into hacking. Maybe remove the sound of the tree. Ah, that's weird. I actually cannot hear the sound. So yeah, I'll definitely do that. Because it's a really strident. I remember the sound. Yeah, it's quite bad. I actually have a version without the sound, but as I couldn't hear, I thought it was popping off. But thanks for letting me know, man. Thanks a lot for that. Yeah, I imagine. Of course, energetic. That's how we do it. Anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna go then. Exactly, boom boom GG, as we say. Little testicles for you always. There you go, man. For all the bits. Oh, jump style. I wish I could jump style it. No. I don't have the skills yet. Hey, thank you, man. Anyway, guys, I think that's it for today. Take care, everyone. Have a good one, and I'll see you soon. Okay? See you, everyone.